Hello, and today at Model Corner we have a big one. We have the PPC Plastic Plane Company's British Airways Airbus A380 in 1/200 scale. Now, as you can see, this is another snap fit kit that you can put together easily with no glue required, which I will do for you now. Now, as you can see, this, despite being 1/200 scale, is still very big, and that is because it is an A380, which is the largest passenger plane or passenger airliner ever built, as well as being the only full-length double-decker jet airliner. As you can see, it's double-decker all the way along. As you can see, first wing has just snapped onto the body. Just do the same to the other wing, and they fit very nicely onto the fuselage of the body, giving you a nice look. Before we move on to the tail. Now, the tail is made up of three parts. We have the two vertical stabilizers and the two horizontal stabilizers and the vertical stabilizer. So these also will just snap onto the body. Just push in, turn it around, and push on this side. There we go. And then at the top, to put in the horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer. And there you have it. That is the British Airways Airbus A380 in 1/200 scale. Now let's have a quick look at it. As you can see, we've got the cockpit, the two floors, top and bottom, the classic British Airways logo and the livery, the Union tail. Let's look at some of the nice details, such as we've got a little stamp that says Royal Mail here. We have the registration of GXLEL. We've got a nice seal here. Let's look at the other side, which you can see the same. See all the nice, see all the windows, the doors, the livery on the tail, little LEL at the top. Underneath, you can see the registration on the wing. You can look at the wings and you can see the details here. Got the flaps on ailerons things. Got the wing flaps and ailerons on the wing here. Got the wingtips, it goes into focus. And you get the same on the stabilizers. And of course, you've got the very nice jet engines with nice simple details. Now, as you can see, this plane did not come with any landing gear. But it does have a stand, which is here, which says British Airways with its logo, Airbus A380, just the name and the company running the plane. And so they just fit together like so. And then if you look underneath the plane, you will see here a little gap. As always, you just push it in, and you have the plane on display. Now, it's a big plane, as the A380 is a big plane. It has a wingspan of about 39.4 centimeters, so it's a pretty big one. And it's about 36.37 centimeters long. Of course, it's an A380. It's going to be a big model for a big plane. Now, this plane comes packaged in this box here, if I can show you. As you can see, it says Airbus A380. It's got a picture of the... See if I can move this plane out of the way. It's got a picture of the plane itself flying. You can see it's the exact same one as modelled. Turning around, we've got British Airways and their logo. The name of the plane, the Airbus A380. We've got an officially licensed product stamp from British Airways, so you know that this is approved. And you have some stats of a real Airbus A380 with its length, its height, and its wingspan. And as you can see, let's have one last look at this plane on its stand. Again, it's a very nice plane. And this is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.